Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Se. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined, and learn some example words that start with Se. In our last video, we covered the letter Te. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter C is also from the same category like this one, V, F, T, T. The writing style, joining, everything is the same. The letter C was giving the sound of seen, a, s like sa. Look, in Arabic language they pronounce the, but we pronounce it mostly se, like seen. This one is the writing style initially, and in middle part, final and joint. In a sentence or in a word, we have, for example, Suraya. Say at the beginning like Suraya. Awaris. She Malgiri di. Suraya. Awaris. She Malgiri di. Suraya and Waris are good friends. Suraya's private name, and Waris is another name. She good Malgiri friend di are. Suraya and Waris have Malgiri D. Suraya and Waris are good friends. Look, some people pronouncing this sh, like we must pronounce sh. The proper pronunciation is sh. But some people pronouncing sh and some people pronouncing kha. This one is a two different dialect. If you hear sh, all of them have the same meaning. It means good. Yeah. For example, if you want to say someone, how are you? Like maybe they say Shayam or Shayam or Khayam. All of them is correct. Yeah. Suraya ya wa mehrabana aw hukhyaran jalayda. Suraya ya wa mehrabana aw hukhyaran jalayda. It means Suraya is a kind and intelligent girl. Suraya Yawa means a. Instead of this a kind, a girl, we can say like Yawa means one a. Mehrabana kind. Aw and Hukhyara intelligent. Njale girl. The is. Suraya Yawa Mehrabana Hukhyara Njale. Suraya is a kind and intelligent girl. وارث د خپلې کورنۍ مسؤلیت په غاړه لري. وارث د خپلې کورنۍ مسؤلیت په غاړه لري. It means Waris is responsible for his family. Waris د خپلې کورنۍ his family. خپلې his own کورنۍ family. مسؤلیت responsibility. په غاړه لري, like is belong to them. Like is responsible for his family. وارث د خپلې کورنۍ مسؤلیت په غاړه لري. وارث is responsible for his family. ثور د پسرلي دویمه میاشت ده. ثور د پسرلي دویمه میاشت ده. It means ثور is the second month of spring. Look, the first month is Hamal, we say Hamal. Second month of spring, we say ثور. Yeah, now ثور, second month, name of man. ثور د پسرلي belong, پسرلی spring. دویمه second, میاشت month. That is ثور د پسرلي دویمه میاشت ده. ثور is the second month of spring. د ثور میاشت کې هوا ډیره ښکلې وي. د ثور میاشت کې هوا ډیره ښکلې وي. It means the weather is very beautiful in the month of ثور. د ثور میاشت کې in the month of ثور هوا weather ډیره very ښکلې nice. We is beautiful nice. Yeah. د ثور میاشت کې هوا ډیره ښکلې وي. In the month of spring the weather is very beautiful. د ثور په میاشت کې بزګران کښتونه پیلوي. د ثور په میاشت کې بزګران کښتونه پیلوي. It means farmers start planting in the month of Savar. د سور میاشت کې in the month of Savar. بزګران farmers. بزګر farmer one person. بزګران is plural. بزګران کښتونه. کښتونه means like start working in ground or planting. پیلوي starting. Start. د سور په میاشت کې بزګران کښتونه پیلوي. Farmers start planting in the month of Savar. Sawab. Sawab. Sawab means reward. Sawab means reward. خب ښه کار کول ثواب لري. ښه کار کول ثواب لري. Doing good deeds have rewards. ښه means good. کار work. کول do. ثواب reward لري has or have. Doing good work, doing good deeds have rewards. ښه کار کول ثواب لري. Doing good deeds have rewards. We have سرک جوړول ثواب لري. سرک جوړول ثواب لري. Building a road has rewards. سرک جوړول ثواب لري. Building a road has rewards. سرک road جوړول building ثواب rewards لري has. سرک جوړول ثواب لري. Building a road has rewards. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. It means serving parents has great rewards. مور mother او and پلار father. مور او پلار when it come together it means you can say parent. مور او پلار ته to the parent خدمت serve کول do. خدمت کول serving. لوی big. ثواب reward. لري has. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. Serving parent has great reward. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. سوریا او وارث ښه ملګري دي. سوریا او وارث ښه ملګري دي. سوریا and وارث are good friends. سوریا یوه مهربانه او هوښیاره نجلۍ ده. سوریا یوه مهربانه او هوښیاره نجلۍ ده. سوریا is a kind and intelligent girl. وارث د خپلې کورنۍ مسؤلیت په غاړه لري. وارث د خپلې کورنۍ مسؤلیت په غاړه لري. وارث is responsible for his family. ثور د پسرلي دویمه میاشت ده. ثور د پسرلي دویمه میاشت ده. Summer is the second month of spring. د ثور میاشت کې هوا ډېره ښکلې وي. د ثور میاشت کې هوا ډېره ښکلې وي. The weather is very beautiful in the month of Savar. د ثور په میاشت کې بزګران کښتونه پیلوي. د ثور په میاشت کې بزګران کښتونه پیلوي. Farmers start planting in the month of Savar. ثواب. ثواب reward. ښه کار کول ثواب لري. ښه کار کول ثواب لري. Doing good deeds have rewards. سرک جوړول ثواب لري. سرک جوړول ثواب لري. Building a road has rewards. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. Serving parent has great reward. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. مور او پلار ته خدمت کول لوی ثواب لري. Serving parent has great reward. If you would like to learn Pashto Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.